The next tip for better Instagram Reels is also a pretty simple one. So let's start by creating a reel, clicking and swiping to Reels, perfect. And here am I, hey. And what I can do now is simply record a video. This is step number 1. For example, I can do a short video myself, dancing here, speaking here, whatever. And what a lot of people do then is just use some captions. So you saw this probably already, some movement, some moving captions, some moving texts in different colors where you can read what the person is saying, which is pretty helpful because then you can watch the video even without having an audio on, which is good. So I could go here and use this as well. So I click now on preview. Okay. Now click on this text symbol at the top. And then we add, I don't know, hey guys, or did you ever wanted to blah blah blah. And here I can also say that this text is only visible here in the first quarter of this video. Then I add another text with check this out, which is then here. Oops, I deleted it. Check this out. But it comes right after the other text. And then when having the finished video, we will see that first we see the first part of the video with this text, then it switches into this part with this text, and you can use text for different sequences of the video. This is option number 1, okay? Option number 2, which is easier in my understanding, is that you just use the text icon, yes, but you use the speak symbol, which is in my case at the top of my keyboard, top right corner of my keyboard, this little microphone, and I can click it, and then when I'm doing so, I can speak, and it is recording everything I'm saying, which is pretty helpful. You see, so I don't have to write everything I said before, but I just have to, I don't know, write down a script and speak in this script 2 times, once for the video and a second time for the text, which I then can easily put on the perfect sequences of the video so that it fits the video perfect. The video should then fit the text. Okay, this is the easy tip to caption your reels. You should always, if you stand in front of a camera, use something like that. So always use also text, not only you speaking, because a lot of people are only watching videos without audio, and then they, would skip to another video if there is no text, if they cannot consume the video because there is no text.